perhatikan teman, tarikan alur yang kita akan arahkan di sini. Dari bawah bergerak sangat luas, dan ini kita balancing dengan gerak itu sehingga gerakan untuk selanjutnya tetap dalam luasan yang ada.
Well, Bonds lover, yeah, I would like to explain you how to make the good crown, yeah. Grimata explain, yeah. If you want to make the good crown, yeah, you need to see the flow from the root, yeah, from the root going in the body, going until this area. So after that, you need to following that balance of that flow to be find the good crown like that.
Di sini masih kurang teman, ini program masih berjalan panjang.
In that area we need branches, yeah, but no problem because we have so much time to program this bonsai, this material.
Nggak apa-apa karena kita masih dalam tahapan program.
Because now is the program step, so no problem.
Ya, sudah kelihatan teman.
Yeah, now already we can already see, yeah, you already can see.
Nah, mari kita perhatikan sekarang. Saya akan menggerakkan sesuatunya. Kita mengambil yang lebih besar.
Yeah, let's see. Grimata will make the flow and use the big one. Oh, big power. Okay.
Ya, sekarang ruangan ini terbuka dan dia sudah punya ruangan sendiri.
Hold on. This space is already open, yeah, because Grimata splitting that area, and now already have space, yeah, have a good space.
Nah, kita sudah mendapatkan masing-masing punya ruangan sendiri-sendiri.
Well done. Now already have a good space, yeah, every branches. Just need to select the branches.
Ya, kita sudah dapatkan beberapa komposisi yang sangat cantik.
You know, we already have get some of good position, ya. Already have some of good position.
Ini sangat penting teman, jadi tekuan-tekuan dasar di pangkal ini kalau kita lambat akan sangat susah nantinya, sehingga tampilnya tidak natural, gerakannya tidak bebas.
Well, Bonsai Lover, ya, Gede Mata say to you, in the program process like this, ya, you see this, ya, this, ya, in the started of the branches is very important in the program process, ya, because this will be to be good or bad in the future is started from this process.
Itu pengalaman saya selama bermain bonsai, banyak kesulitan di tekuan dasar seperti ini.
Ya, in Gede Mata experience, ya, in the bonsai experience.
Ya, jadi ini sangat tajam tekuan saya. Tapi kalau masih kecil gini masih mampu kita lakukan. Tapi kalau sudah besar sangat susah.
You remember the position, ya, this, ya. In the last is going to the
Ya, ke sini.
going to this area, ya, going to the underside. Now for this step, because this is a program step, so in the started branches like that is very important, ya. So Gede Mata make the extreme flow in that area, in this area, extreme flow like this, to make this part have a good flow for in the future like that. So that is very important when in the program process.
Kita akan melilitkan dulu ke induk cabang sehingga tidak bergoyang.
When we wiring like that position, we need to make the wire going to the mother trunk, ya, so that wire more strong.
Ya. Jadi sisi kawat harus bagus, kuat, sehingga kita di saat memutar cabang itu dia mau mengikuti apa yang kita mau.
Why we need to make that wire position strong, ya, that's why Gede Mata doing. Gede Mata want that branches following what gede meter planning by that wire, so that why we need to make that wire have a good position or a strong position.
Nah, sekarang teman perhatikan, ini cabang mencolok mata.
Well, bonsai lover, let's see, this is very important, yeah, for you. If you see this branches is going to the our eyes, yeah.
Bagaimana memperlakukan cabang ini untuk menjadi cantik.
Now what we need, yeah, now how to make that branches looking beauty, yeah, this is knowledge again.
Nah, perhatikan teman,
Let's see.
ini harus dipegang bagian pangkal sehingga tidak coklek.
When you will make this extreme flow, you need to holding in the started branches, so we have more strong foundation, and then you start make the flow by the tools like that.
Nah, jadi ini sudah ada ruangan yang bisa ditembus pandang. Jadi
well done, bonsai lover, yeah. Now we understanding what Gudimato wanted, yeah. You see from this area, yeah. Now we already have a good dimension, yeah.
sekarang baru penyesuaian cabang-cabang yang lainnya.
And now the other branches following that first branches. So this is the solution. The branches going to our eyes, so we need to do the flow like this and little bit up, so open the dimension, and these branches not going to our eyes again, and other branches following the harmonization of this branch.
Saya akan memperlihatkan bagaimana cara memasang kawat apabila kawat ini single, tidak ada lawan.
Well, bonsai lover, Gudimato will showing you the wiring technique, yeah, how to wiring technique in the single technique, single branches like this. Gudimato min, yeah, Gudimato min, how to wiring the single branches, yeah, you see.
Ya, ini dikasih lewat ujung yang dari belakang.
Okay.
Kamu sudah perhatikan?
Well, bonsai lover, this is the technique for wiring the single branches. You give this more going to that area.
Ya, kita tekan dengan kawat yang depan.
And then we passing. Well, I will explain you, yeah. Well, bonsai lover, you see this? You need to give this little bit more here, and after that you pass by this wire like this, so this will be strong holding like that.
Jadi saya akan pasang ini sampai ujung, sampai habis kawatnya, teman.
So we will wiring until to the end of that branches, yeah.
Nah, jadi sekarang begini, perhitungan bonsai itu yang selama ini ada hitungan kanan kiri. Kalau saya di sini perhitungannya alam. Jadi dari manapun cabang itu, sepanjang istilahnya dia mampu akan mengeluarkan harmoni, saya akan pakai. Tetapi kalau hitungan seperti contoh ini cabang ini akan saya matikan. Kenapa? Karena di sini dia mengganggu tekukan yang indah. Ya, contoh saya akan potong sekarang. Oke. Ini padahal cabang kanan.
Oke.
Nah, ini kan kelihatan ini keindahan dari tekukan batang, alur batang itu jadi bersih.
Well, bonsai lover, I would like to explain you about the something important in the standard bonsai theory standard bonsai theory, we need to have branches right, left, right, left, right, left. But in Gede Mada art Gede Mada following the nature. So where is the good branches growing and have harmonization, Gede Mada will use that branches. Example like this, you remember in the last minute, we have branches here. So if in the standard bonsai theory, this is the branches in the right side, so we need to use like that. But that branches covering the flow of this, covering the flow. So Gede Mada cut. After Gede Mada cut that branches, you can see the flow of that trunk more good. Okay.
Nah, sekarang perhatikan teman-teman, saya akan menekuk cabang ini. Oke.
Now let's see Gede Mada will
kita
make the flow.
mainkan dari arus gerak di bawah kemana dia arusnya bergerak. Oke.
Well, bonsai lover, if you make the flow, you need to following the flow from the start of that branches started. See.
Ya. Kita mainnya hanya segitu. Karena ruangan ini terlalu jauh. Kalau kita terlalu naik, nanti yang di bawah kosong. Jadi nanti kita ini dibesarkan dulu, mungkin akan menjadi triple. Setelah sebesar ini itu saya tidak potong untuk pembesaran.
So for this time the position of the branches Gede Mada put in this area because here
saya
empty.
akan bantu air dulu karena ujungnya sedikit loyo ini.
Gede Mada help by the water because the end of this branches little bit not healthy, like more hot, little bit hot, so we need to help by the water. Well, I explain you again, Gede Mada put this position until here because here is empty and here is empty. So if Gede Mada make the flow of these branches more high, so space here is very far, so Gede Mada put here. For the future, Gede Mada program this have more big size, so will maybe to be the triple or other.
Ini ada saya bentuk-bentuk vibrasinya sehingga ke depan dia memiliki getaran gerak.
Well, bonsai lover, if you see, you can see the tail, in this flow have a vibration, so when this trunk have a big size, this trunk will be have a good vibration like that.
Sekarang saya akan melakukan di bagian atas.
Gede Mada will working in the up area, the upside.
Kita buka sedikit.
We need to little splitting.
Ya, sudah dipegang.
Well done. Now is already holder.
Mari saya akan tangani satu sisi.
Grammar will finish the problem in the one area.
Nah, karena ini tidak ada fungsi, saya potong.
Because that is not important branches, so we take out. No more clean.
Teman, perhatikan di sini saya akan menjadikan dia latar di belakang.
Walaupun over, let's see. Grammar will use that branches to be the background, ya.
Nah, sudah mulai kelihatan masing-masing menempati posisi.
Now it's already looking have a good position every part, ya.
Ini kawat besar, tetapi saya akan memakai untuk menekuk yang kecil.
That is the big wire, but Grammar will use that big wire in the small branches.
Ya, kalau kita sudah biasa menekuk kawat, jadi bagaimana kawat itu tidak menekan cabang yang kecil dan bisa kita pergunakan untuk mengatur.
If we already have so much doing wiring or have a good wiring skill, so we can do this for this technique, yeah, how to wiring small branches with a big wire, not passing the small branches like that.
Nah, itu bagian dari proses.
That is one of the process, ya, step process.
Teman, kita lihat dari depan posisinya tidak bagus.
Yeah, let's see from the front of the position is not good.
Kita tekuk dari depan sehingga dia memiliki tempat yang ideal.
Yeah, we need to make the flow front of like now. That position is already good. Yeah, good position. Oh, you see from the front of like this.